And meron na po kaming audit actions on the liquidation report that were submitted by the Office of the Vice President for the CF for calendar year 2022 po.
So, meron na po kayong findings on the report?
Yes po. We already have audit actions po and findings on the liquidation report submitted to us by the Office of the Vice President.
Okay. So, syempre, hindi pwedeng sabihin dito, no? Yung kung ano man yung audit findings, no?
Yes.
Pwede bang sabihin?
Because of the nature po of the
Okay.
funds which is confidential, so ano po yun, hindi po namin madidisclose.
Okay, later na lang. So, moving on to another confidential funds. Noong 2023 po, merong confidential funds din yung DepEd, which is 150 million. So, meron na rin po bang report ito? O na-liquidate na ba itong pondo na to?
The DepEd po has already submitted their liquidation report and meron na rin pong audit action ang aming office on this
Okay.
matter po.
So, of course, pag sinabing audit action, it could be, syempre, from the audit observation, it could be disallowance, suspension, or whatever. So, dahil ulit, ito ay confidential fund, hindi pwedeng sabihin ngayon.
Yes po.
Okay. So, another one, Madam Chair, ito, no, 2023, meron din yung OVP na 500 million confidential funds. So again, it has na-liquidate na ba ito at may findings na rin ang COA?
Madam Chair, the Office of the Vice President have already submitted their liquidation reports, liquidation documents, and meron na rin po kaming audit actions on this po.
Together with the report, meron na yung mga performance, yung kanilang accomplishment report. Together with that po.
Yung pong accomplishment report, submitted po yon. Copies of that is also submitted to the Office of the Speaker, to the Office of the Senate President, and also to the Office of the Senate President po.
Okay, so linawin natin, no, yung report about the liquidation ay siyempre hindi pwedeng i-announce dito. Pero yung accomplishment reports nitong mga minention ko na confidential funds ay naibigay na sa Office of the President, the Senate President, and the Speaker.
Yes.
Okay. So, mahalaga to, Madam Speaker, no, itong usapin ng confidential funds. So, last year pa ito at nakita natin, no, at tayo naman talaga dito sa Kongreso, yung nag-open itong itong pondo na ito. And since Madam Chair, hindi po pwedeng sabihin dito yung findings, yung report, o yung anumang observations ng COA. Ang mga taong bayan po interesado po dito sa mga confidential funds. Okay? At kung paano ito ginamit. Kung ito ba ay sumunod doon sa guidelines. Okay? Yung joint guidelines. So, may I therefore move, Madam Chair, to subpoena duces tecum be issued to COA for these AOMs or kung meron mang notice of disallowance or suspension issued to the Office of the Vice President and to the Office of the Department of Education. I so move, Madam Chair.
1 minute suspension.